Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a voter reminder on the Daily Quotes application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this profile icon down below in the right side corner, and then click on the voter reminder button in the Your Code section. That's the fourth one. Here you can tap on Add Voter Reminder, then type in the reminder. Then select how many times you want to get this reminder, when you want to start and end it, and select the days where you want to get this reminder. If you are done, tap on the Save button down below, and here is your voter reminder. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.